In this video, we'll be showing you how to install the ground kit for an L600AWK circuit breaker enclosure. Before installing the kit, make sure to consult all the safety information provided and never work on energized equipment. The correct grounding kit for the L600AWK enclosure is the PKO GTA4. Provided with the kit is the grounding bar, the instructions, and the grounding lugs. The mounting bracket will mount to the enclosure in this location using these two holes. You'll see that there are multiple options for where you can mount the grounding lugs. Typically, we would recommend to alternate which hole to use when mounting your grounding lugs. There is also an alternate position at the bottom of the enclosure where the mounting bracket can be mounted. Now that you have the mounting bracket installed, you can now mount your equipment grounding lugs on any of these holes.